Hello, Dr. Ali. I would now like to present to you the working model of my AUV and to demonstrate the functions and how they work on it. In order to demonstrate the functions, it must be noted that there are functions on both the front of the AUV and the back, and therefore in the demonstration I shall only be showing either the front or the back of the AUV at any one time, because the angles make it impossible to show both at the same time. The basic functions to be aware of are as follows. When the white LED, which represents the navigation light, is powered on, it derives its power from output 1 of the pickaxe chip. When the red LED, which represents the camera, is powered on, it derives its power from output 2 of the pickaxe chip. On the back, when the up-down PWM thruster motor, which is motor 3, is powered on, it derives its power from output 3 of the pickaxe chip. When the forward left-hand thruster motor, motor 1, is powered on, it derives its power from output 4 of the pickaxe chip. And also when the forward thruster motor number 2 is powered on, it derives its power from output 5 of the pickaxe chip. Whilst the AUV is programmed to follow a circuit, it must be noted that I have allowed a short delay of 5 seconds between each step. This is in order to let the AUV settle down for when I eventually test the AUV in water as a wet test, and these delays can be changed in the program should I need it. In order to switch the AUV on, I use a magnet and a reed switch. Once the LED flashes, that means that there's power going to the pickaxe chip and the circuit. What you can hear now are the 2 forward thrusters going on to take the AUV forward in the water column. Now the white LED represents the navigation light coming on, and the red LED represents the camera. If we go to the back of it now, you can see motor 3, which is the PWM motor, coming on, and this is regulated, the speed is regulated by the program itself. Now the right hand thruster has come on, and that denotes the first turn towards the left. Then both thrusters go on to take the AUV forward in the water column. All the time motor 3 is still on because that's holding the AUV at a level. Now the left hand thruster has come on, and this denotes the first right hand turn. Both thrusters are on together, and that takes the AUV forward in the water column. Again, the left-hand thruster has come on its own to make another turn. Both thrusters come on to take the AUV forward in the water column. Now the left-hand thruster has come on to make the last turn on its journey. Both thrusters have come on again to take the AUV forward in the water column. Now the PMW thruster has switched off, and this allows the AUV to slowly rise to the top because it's positively buoyant. The 2 LEDs that just went off show the camera going off and the navigation light, and now the forward thrusters have come on in order to take the AUV back to the beginning of its point of origin in the swimming pool, should it be tested as a wet test.